Here's how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. Let's open WhatsApp Messenger, and now you can get Meta AI simply by pressing on the Meta AI logo right on top of New Chat. When you tap on it for the first time, it will show you this prompt and you'll need to press OK. Now it will open the Meta AI chat, and as you can see, it uses Llama 4, so it's totally similar as ChatGPT, and you can ask it questions just like any other artificial intelligence. But the feature that people are here for is the Meta AI integration in chats. And to use that, you simply type @ and Meta AI will pop up instantly. And after you have mentioned Meta AI, you can do a lot of cool things like generating images, edit your own image, search up different kind of reels, and even let Meta AI reply for you. So now you're ready to explore Meta AI and discover even more features. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you around.